Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Nature Valley crunchy granola bars. So it is made with 100% natural whole grain oats. And what else, per 2 bars they have mentioned 190 calories. So 2 bar contains 190 calories. It has 17 gram of sugar, 170 ml of sodium and fat, etc. It has mentioned over here pecan crunch. So you'll feel crunch while eating these bars. If you have seen my earlier video, I have shown the same but different flavor, so go and check that also. So over here they have mentioned to open lift tab, so you need just to lift it. Oh, it came properly, and close this like this. Oh God, why it is not coming? Oh. So here are the bars. Now I'm gonna plug this box and show you. So these are the beautiful crunchy pecan crunch bars, and now I'm gonna open one for you and show you how it tastes. Yep. Yes. So they have, one pack contains 2 bar. That's why they mentioned the calories per 2 bar. I'm going to taste one, and before that I'm going to show you. See how it looks like. It looks very crunchy with oats and nuts in it. Let's taste it. Hope you can hear the voice, the crunchiness voice. It's amazing. It has sweetness. You can taste oats and very good flavor, enriched flavor, I would say. It's very nice and I loved it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, press the bell icon and like my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.